Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to present you a very useful video regarding a very useful app which is for the State Bank of India customers, sadly, not for the other banks, and it's about an app which is YONO SBI. Most of you have already heard about it, most of you have already used it and already know the benefits of the app, but most of you have just heard and didn't use it. Uh, the reason I know many of you are afraid of using something new. I have faced many customers in my bank who are afraid of using something new, but I can assure you this app is completely safe. In this pandemic time, it's very much essential that you stay at home and do all the needful from home, and this app is a perfect example of it. Through this app you can avail all kinds of services related to bank, from availing loan which will be credited to your account in just one click, in just 1 minute, or for applying checkbooks, for applying ATM or blocking cards, ATM cards, for you can take out money from ATMs without ATM cards. You just need 2 OTPs there. So let's see here what we have for you. So here I'm going to show you firstly how to download YONO SBI. Here there is already the YONO SBI. You will have to go to the Play Store first. Here you can see I already have the app. So firstly I will show you by uninstalling it. You want to uninstall? Yes. So here again we are going to install it. You just have to go to the Google Play Store. The download has completed now. So here it shows you need to open. So firstly it will allow YONO SBI to access the device location. For now you can just deny it. This is the page here. You can see there are 3 options: new to SBI, existing customer, and I have activation code. As you already have an account, you will choose existing customer. Here again in the next page you can see login using internet banking ID, register with my ATM card details, register with account details. Firstly I will want to show you register with my ATM card details. Here in this page you will be asked to give your CIF number and account number and then proceed further. The other option here is register with account details. This is for a completely new user to internet banking. If you are not registered with internet banking, you can go with this option. Here you will have to give the account number. I will give mine and show you. So here it shows this account is already enabled for internet banking. Please visit onlinesbi.com, which means I already have the net banking facility. So I'll just go on OK. Now we'll go back. This is the back option. Okay. So here again, now we'll go to the last option, which is the valid option, login using user ID and password, since we already have user ID and password. Here you can see this page. You will be just asked for username, password and referral code. Referral code is optional. Now as you have already retrieved your username and password, just type your username and password here. So here I have written the username and password, and this is the referral code. If you want you can give this, or otherwise it is optional. Now we are going to submit it. Here comes the next page. You can see here it's a terms and condition page. You just need to click here. It's already ticked, so we'll go for next. Here you will be asked to give an MPIN, which is a 6-digit number. The MPIN should not be any consecutive number. For suppose if you are going to give 1 2 3 4 5 6, again 1 2 3 4 5 6, next time is for confirmation. Now let's see, it will show 3 consecutive numbers should not be in sequence. So okay, now we'll have to give a unique unique MPIN. You also cannot give combination of date of birth. Suppose like if your date of birth is 25th 06 97, again 25th 06 97, it won't click. So now let's just enter something unique number. You can give combination of your date and year of your date of birth excluding the month. So here we go for next. See, it will ask for OTP. Type the OTP here and click on next. It will show congratulations, you have successfully registered. Go to login. Now you have this page. There are two options, username and password. You can log in with username and password, or otherwise you can go for MPIN. In MPIN you will have to see that your phone has a lock, otherwise it won't accept MPIN. So I am now going to set the lock for this phone. So here we are with the login page, with the home page of YONO. I hope the video was very much useful for you and for registering for YONO SBI. For any other queries, you can just contact your nearest branch. They will help you with it. In this pandemic period, we need to be together with each other. So this is my way of helping you in some way so that you don't need to go out of your house. Do share your comments in the comment box and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.